Hi everyone, we're in the Royal Botanic Gardens today in Hobart, and I have a beautiful sculpture here for you, fountain as well. It's made of hewn pine. It's one of the rare timbers that you find here in Tasmania. The pines can grow for up to 3,000 years. Yeah, they're some of the oldest on the planet. And I'm just going to read you something really quickly. This sculpture represents the bow and sails of a French ship and is the only Australian sculpture ever represented on a stamp of another sovereign country. Isn't that cool? And this is by Stephen Walker. It's his only work in hewn pine that's on display. So I'm going to come a bit closer. Take you around. There. Is that cool? Look at the work. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm going to try not to kill myself on these stairs. Woo! They're huge stone stairs. I love this. Yummy green water. What a magnificent day today too. Alright. Now you can see this from the bottom up. Pretty wild. Have a great day everybody.